Hello and good morning. Welcome to my channel. I'm Dania and today's topic focuses on the differences between through and throughout. So I will explain the differences between the two using examples with detailed explanations to help you understand everything easily. So let's start. So what is actually the meaning of through? You need to use through when you speak about moving from one side to the other or starting from beginning to the end. So let's say, for example, if you are reading a book from chapter 1 to the end, we use through, things like that. So this is the meaning of through. As for throughout, you need to use it when describing something that happened over a period of time. So this is the meaning of throughout. So for now, we need to look at some examples with detailed explanations to understand the differences between these two quite well. Let's have a look at the first example. Here we have, he walked through the forest. Through the forest. What does that mean? It means he walked from one side to the other in the forest, maybe not in one direction, maybe he used different directions, but he walked from the beginning maybe to an ending point, and in this case we use through. He walked through the forest. That means from one side to the other. Let's have a look at another example. She read through the entire book. She read through. That means she read from the beginning to the end, through the entire book. We drove through the tunnel. Through the tunnel, that means inside the tunnel, like from the beginning of the tunnel to the end. She walked through the crowd. Through the crowd, that means from one side to the other. But that doesn't mean from she walked in one direction. Maybe she used different directions, but still from beginning to the end. He saw the light through the window. So as you see in the image, there is the light that is coming from the window. But instead of saying the light is coming from the window, you can simply use the preposition through the window. He saw the light through the window. Alright? So this is basically with the use of through. If you have any questions regarding what I have just explained, please let me know in the comments below. As for now, we need to look at throughout, like how to use throughout in sentences with detailed explanations. Let's have a look. It rained throughout the day. That means it rained from the beginning of the day till the end without stopping throughout the day. She remained calm throughout the crisis. Throughout the crisis, that means she was calm during the entire crisis. So in this case, we use throughout. That means from the beginning to the end, like throughout the time. Alright? And you can even say she remained calm throughout the day, or maybe throughout the problem, things like that. So when describing something that happens from beginning to the end, we use throughout. Let's have a look at another example. There are trees throughout the forest. Throughout the forest, that means throughout the entire forest, like the whole forest. She wore a smile throughout the meeting. That means she was with a smile like the entire meeting, from the beginning of the meeting till the end. So this is how you can use through and throughout in sentences. I really hope the differences between through and throughout are easy to understand. If not, please let me know in the comments below. So just ask your questions and I will definitely respond to your questions immediately. Otherwise, I will create another video to answer your questions. As for the upcoming videos, I'm planning actually to focus more on other grammar topics like passive voice, active voice, perfect tenses and all that. However, if you have specific topics that you want me to focus on, please let me know on the comments below. And so yeah, this is all from today's lesson. I really hope everything is okay, like easy to understand and stuff like that. So I wish you a wonderful time, and by the way, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, share it among your friends and classmates so everyone can get some help from this channel. So yeah, this is all. I wish you a wonderful time, and I will be looking forward to having you on the upcoming video. Have a great day and take care. Bye bye.